Hey everyone, welcome back to Eiferer Home Automation. Spotlight your home, literally, with the eWeLink Zigbee GU10 bulb. This GU10 bulb brings full color control, dimming, and smart automation, all through Zigbee. Pair it to your Zigbee hub for lightning fast response, rock solid reliability. No Wi-Fi stress here. Control it remotely with the eWeLink app, or just say the word Alexa, Google, and even Yandex Alice are on board. Fine-tune your brightness and colors to match the moment, reading, relaxing, or throwing a mini rave. And with the energy-efficient LED tech, you'll get powerful lighting without the Powerball punch. The GU10 base fits standard fixtures. Just plug it in, pair, and smart it up your space. Perfect for kitchens, hallways, bookshelves, wherever you need smart, focus light with style. Ready to upgrade? The eWeLink Zigbee GU10 Smart Bulb is available now at eiferer.co.za. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe to help us grow this channel.